అవుతుంది. ఓకే ఓకే, నువ్వు స్కిడ్ కొట్టాలి, నేను ఇంట్రో పెట్టాలి. ఓకే, what's up? So welcome back to the channel again, and today I am back on the service road because, as you know, this has become kind of like my second home now. I'm staying more on the service road than in home actually. So today I am taking out Raptor. This is Raptor. You might have seen her or him, I don't know what gender this is, but you might have seen this. And we recently took delivery of this bike around a month ago, I guess. So today I am riding her / him, I don't know, and we are going to Kisargutta. You might be thinking maybe I'm the only one, but there's one bike and there's one bike and wait, and there's another bike. So there are 4 of us going. So it's Sriram, Harsha and Vinay. In front of me is Vinay on his Activa, and there's Sriram on his RTR 160 and Harsha of course on his Xpulse. I have been to Kisargutta quite a few times, but this is like, you know, just chill. It's Saturday evening, we just wanted to chill for some time, so yeah, we are going to Kisargutta. There is this beautiful canopy over here, and it's like, it's just a normal road, but you need to be careful because dogs are on the street, and I don't know, but
who let the dogs out?
so basically I am leading today because I am leading the group because only I know the place, and it's not like you need to go hundreds of kilometers on a straight road, then you need to take it. No, it's very close actually. It's like what, 15-16 kilometers from my place. So So this is the Kisara village. If you go straight now for almost 10 kilometers, you can go to Gatkesar also. But to go to Kisargutta, we need to take a left here. వాళ్ళు కనిపిలే వెళ్ళిపోయిండా. So this is like the Kisara village, huh? and after this, if you go little forward on like 1-2 kilometers, you will get the Kisargutta, which is like a hill kind of a thing. Gutta means a hill, I guess, because I'm not so perfect. That's like a good place, huh? Good pond kind of a thing. It's like a small pond. Now I'm back. Now I'm the tail. Because this place, you need to have some view in front of you, like these bikes are there, so that it will look kind of good. So I can't actually go fast on this bike because it's still under like the first service hasn't been completed yet. So you need to take care of your revs. You can actually go to the top end, but you need to be so gentle with the throttle that you will feel you might as well go slow. So this is like a short and cute place for us where we can, kind of chill, talk out for some time and go. అద్దులే భయపడతారు జనాలు. This is next level jugaad, mama. This is next level jugaad for taking time lapse.
మనం ఒకసారి ఏరోప్లేన్ నుంచి పారాషూట్ వేసుకుని దూకారు ఒకసారి మనం. ఏరోప్లేన్ నుంచి పారాషూట్ వేసుకుని దూకారు ఒకసారి మనం.
So we spent some quite good time in this hill, and yeah, we watched the sunset. Now we are going back home, I guess. And so if you have seen my last video, I guess you might have seen the scary kind of a bridge that I went to. So actually we are trying to go over there right now because these guys actually wanted to see that place. So I was like, sure, why not? I don't know if you can see through the camera, but The view is spectacular in front of you. Like just like there's a canopy, then there's the skyline is kind of nice today. Hey puppy. జరుగు నీ పిల్ల అనుకుంటే ఆడుంది వెనకాల. So this place, being kind of a rural area, the driving sense has gone to Assam. So people are like, driving on the wrong side of the road all the time. That's like a normal thing here. The underpasses are already lighted up. So what? It's like 6:30 p.m. 6:26 p.m. Good. Reach the place. So we got back to the same place that we have come in the last video, I guess. So, and there are people behind me over there. That's also one of us. So yeah, the ride is done till here and everyone has left just now. I'll also leave. So I hope you liked the short video. Short ride actually. I don't think it will be a short video, but yeah, let's see. So till then, bye. And yeah, the corona is still out there, so take care. ఫోన్ మాట్లాడుతుండేమో.
ఫోన్ మాట్లాడుతున్నా ఇంత వెళ్ళవచ్చు రారు.